Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about a new thing. It is called a calendar. Now what is calendar? Calendar tells us about the record of a day. We get to know whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. So today is Monday. How do we get to know? Today is the first day of the week. Yes, to keep in mind, we will mark with the clip in front of Monday. Now, let's find out what is the date today, which is the number. We can see here, we have numbers up to 31. Any month will either have 30 days, 31 days. Some months even have 28 or 29 days. We have got numbers up to 31 and we will know what is the date today. Now see, today is 4th day of the month. We will put a clip in front of 4th as the date, today's date is 4th. Now let's find out which month is going on. Okay kids. Do you know how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, there are 12 months in a year. So, which month is going on? May month is going on. Now, we will highlight the May month with this Doraemon clip. Yes. Now moving to the year part, we will find out which year is going on. It's 2020. Yes, 2020. We call it 2020. Yes, we will put a clip in front of 2020. Now coming to the weather part, we will see how's the weather outside. Yes, go and check it from your window, whether it is sunny or cloudy, whether it is partly cloudy, windy or rainy. Yes, but don't go outside your house. You have to check it from your terrace or from your window. Remember, you don't have to go outside your houses. Yes, today the weather is sunny. Yes, it's sunny. So, it's Monday, 4th day of May 2020 and the weather is sunny. Hope you enjoyed calendar learning. Take care and enjoy it.